Yo, it's gonna be I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a different video today. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I make my videos because I thought it'd be like kind of interesting. Nobody's really asked, but I forgot to show you guys, and everything's free that I use because I don't feel like spending money on a bunch of random stuff to make videos with. So the first thing that I used to actually film with is OBS. It's like most people use, it's free to download, and just like right here, it's pretty easy to use. You just add like different things. You could add different scenes. I only have one right now. I got my headphones set up. I got for when I actually want to do like face stuff, I have that. Game capture, you can capture any full screen appliance, so if you put that into full screen, then yeah, you just record that. I also have a display capture just because if I want to show my display, I have both those on. Got my microphone set up right here. You can also go into settings and change a bunch of different stuff. Appearance, you could do streaming, change like audio stuff, video stuff. I got all mine set to just what people said. You could also do hotkeys. I only have 2 of them right now though. Accessibility, there's all that cool stuff. You can also add like different filters, like different properties to different things. So with my microphone, I have a noise gate thing. Because that, like, you could hear me breathing in my microphone if I didn't. A lot worse than what you can do right now. So I still got to figure that out a little bit. Anyways, and after I get done filming, I go over to CapCut. That's what I use because it's free and it's pretty simple to use. After you open it, then you just click on create a project. You put your, I'll just go into like one of these. And I'll open up your video. It's opening up like a draft right now though. And you basically, I think everybody knows how this works, and it's like what most people use. Change audio, speed, animation. You can do any of that stuff. You can do cutting, crop the stuff, add like all these different things up here, filters, captions, translations, effects, text, audio. You can import whatever you want, videos, music if you download it. And you just click on export and then you just export it. I'll just change the aspect ratio right here. And so that's essentially what I do for that. And then after, to make my thumbnails, because I don't actually use this, I download this for like no reason. So yeah, now what I do for thumbnails is I go to pixlr.com. It's free too, and it's pretty easy to use. It's a lot easier than some other ones that I've tried. I tried Photo because somebody said it's exactly like Photoshop, but it's actually kind of hard to use. You got all like the cutting tools, crop, heal, liquify. You can import stuff over here. You can import any of this stuff. Text. So yeah, that's what I use to make all my thumbnails. It's just easy to use. I'm pretty sure it's free too. I don't think I'm on my school account. Let me just double check. Yeah, no, I'm not. It's free. I don't even think I'm signed in. And you could use like different things. You could do remove background, designer, batch editor. But if I want to remove backgrounds, I'll actually show you what I use. So if I'm ever trying to like remove backgrounds from something, I go to this website. It's free as well. That's pretty much all that I use for my videos. And yeah, it's essentially how I make them. So you can figure out OBS from just like watching tutorials. That's what I did. It's not too hard to figure out once you watch a couple tutorials on it. And CapCut's free, easy to use, so is Pixlr. A lot of people use Photoshop. I don't have it free with my school or whatever, and I don't want to pay for it. I've heard of people using some other stuff, but that's easier for me to use Pixlr. So if you guys want to check out any of that stuff, I'll leave all the links in the description to what I use. I just figured to make like a short little video about just how I make my videos, so that people know, and if you didn't know like all this stuff that I use, maybe you'll want to try it out. If you have any other video ideas you guys want me to do, leave in the comments. I'll leave the Discord in the description below, as well as all the stuff that I use, CapCut, Pixlr, all that stuff. I love you guys. Goodbye.